Introducing the SecureTouch Safety Needle, a non-toxic, sterile, and non-pyrogenic product manufactured from Excel's line of medical devices. The SecureTouch Safety Needle is composed of a safety shield, protection cap, needle hub, and beveled needle cannula. The safety shield is designed to help prevent accidental needle stick injuries and reduce the risk of cross-contamination. Attach the safety needle's female lure lock adapter to the desired prepared syringe. Position the safety shield clear of the needle by folding it back towards the syringe. Remove the protection cap from the needle. Flush the device to prime, ensuring no air remains in the syringe. Perform injection or extraction at site. There are two ways to activate the safety mechanism. The first, place thumb on the center of the finger pad at the back of the safety shield and press until the audible click is heard and/or felt. Second, place the tip of the safety shield against a hard, flat surface and press until the audible click is heard and/or felt. Once the needle is locked into place, properly dispose of the safety needle using an approved container for medical waste.